Meaning of feverish.
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 Feverish. Feverish refers to a state of intense activity or excitement, often accompanied by a feeling of restlessness or agitation. When someone is described as feverish, it suggests they are in a state of heightened energy and intensity, but also potentially experiencing some degree of discomfort or anxiety. This could manifest in a variety of ways, such as increased sweating, erratic behavior, or difficulty focusing on tasks. Overall, the term feverish implies a level of urgency and intensity that is not necessarily sustainable or healthy in the long term.